In this video, I'm going to perform partial fraction decomposition using the substitution method. So in this example, I'm going to decompose 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 1, x minus 1. So the first step is to assume the partial fraction form. So using the table, I can see the denominator that I have has an irreducible quadratic term and a distinct linear term. The x minus 1 term gives us a over x minus 1, and then the quadratic term x squared plus 1 gives us bx plus c over x squared plus 1, because we can only have a difference in 1 between the highest power in the numerator and the denominator of the partial fractions. Next, we're going to multiply through by the left-hand side denominator. So multiplying through by x squared plus 1, x minus 1. On the left-hand side, the denominator cancels. With the a term, only the x minus 1 cancels. And with the bx plus c, the x squared plus 1 cancels. This leaves 2x plus 1 equals a times x squared plus 1 plus bx plus c times x minus 1. So I could just pick any three values of x that I want, because this equation is true for all values of x, and this would give me a system of simultaneous equations that I could solve to find a, b and c. To be a little bit more strategic, I'm going to work through the problem and choose specific values of x. So if I notice the bx plus c is all multiplied by x minus 1, if I can make x minus 1 equal to 0, then the b and the c will vanish, and it gives me an equation that I can solve easily in A. So letting x equal to 1, this gives me 3 is equal to 2a plus b plus c times 0. So dividing by the 2, I get that a is equal to 3 over 2. So I can now use the value of a in that equation as I have. And if I look at the terms I have, I've got bx plus c. So I can make the b term vanish by choosing x equals to 0. So letting x equals 0, I get 1 equals a, which is 3 over 2, plus b times 0, plus c, all times by minus 1. So simplifying this down, I get that c is equal to a half. And then finally, I can choose any value of x that I wish that I haven't used already. So keeping the number small, I'm going to let x equal to minus 1. So this gives me minus 1 equals a, which is the 3 over 2 times by 2, plus minus b plus c, which is the half, multiplied by minus 2. So solving this equation gives me b equals minus 3 over 2. So now I've found a, b and c, I can substitute these back into my original partial fractions form. And it gives me that 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 1, x minus 1 is equal to 3 over 2 x minus 1 plus minus 3x plus 1 all over 2 times x squared plus 1.